Hello and welcome to today's video. I've got something really ridiculous to show you here. This is the Fluideen. It's got a sense of humour. You're going to like this one. On my right we've got a press conference for EuraMobil, but I've heard all the same stuff every single year, so I'm not listening to it. But I'll read the stuff once they've stopped talking. But I'm going to show you this vehicle here, this Fluideen. Now, how much does it cost? It doesn't, right? This is the only one they've built, and it's the only one they'll ever build, because it's totally ridiculous. Oh, and the first thing is the door doesn't open. Let's try it again. Ah, sorry, that was me. Probably me. Don't know. Find out. Anyway, close the door behind me. And this is a project. Project, is that the right word? This is it's not a prototype, it's a model, it's a mock-up. Because a prototype, you think, well, yeah, well, we'll try it out, see if it works. It's not really a prototype. It's something which they've done to show what motorhome is going to be like in the 2020 or something like that. No, sorry, 2020's been. I didn't mean to say that. 22. That's what I wanted to say. And so the object of this has got lots of stuff here which I don't quite know how it works, but you can do things like touching the glass and it sort of changes colour or something like that. Don't quite know. But anyway, so it doesn't work. You do have a traditional blind. It's got, I do like the wallpaper though. They're using it on EuraMobil as well. Not just certain how this opens. If it opens, oh, it does open. There you go. Opens up like that. Got a big magnet to hold it. Well, it doesn't look particularly futuristic to me. What else is it? It's got a tray here. Well, that might be sort of futuristic. There's probably a bit to fill in here if they've actually built it yet. What's in here? How does this open? There we go. And this comes through like that, and that's into the garage. So you've got a completely dark garage. Pity you hadn't used the other phone. You could have actually seen it a bit better, because it's got better night capabilities. This is something as well, I can't remember what. Now let's have a look under the bed. So we can see that this, I think, will lift up like this. No, it doesn't. What's this do? Oh, this comes open like that. Well, that's a bit novel. And oh, that's nice. Mind you, we better have had a whole thing just pulled out, but that doesn't even come out. What have we got on the other side? There's a drawer. And what's this? There's another drawer. Yeah, I think you have to close this. Oops. Obviously this is Mobilvetta, so it's probably broken already. So I know how this works. There's one there. Does this thing here open, or does that go back? And it goes back like that. Okay. Right. It's got a double floor. This thing is broken. Stop. Sit. Oh, it doesn't work. A bit like the dog. Double floor. We'll have a look at the double floor. If I can open it. There you go. There's the black tank. Let's see what's down here. Oh, space in the double floor. Okay, that's nice. I like that. Come and have a look at the toilet of the future. That's a Thetford one. And oh, I like that. Oh, and nice and high. Yes, this is a bit more like it. Like the way this slopes over. Like the wallpaper in the washroom, like the green colour. You can change the colours as well quite easily. Now there's something in here I remember being shown. Whatever it was. Oh, it's broken. Look at that. So there you go. So it certainly is a Mobilvetta of the future. So we're not going to be seeing in there. We've got a table. The table moves around. Lots of motorhomes have tables that move around. Here's the sink. I wonder where the tap is. There it is. They've hidden the tap inside the sink. Induction. So this it's meant to be gas free. Let's have a look up at this. Right. Now, what may make it stand out is this huge amount of glass here at the front, and there's no motorhome like that at all. This is very futuristic, just to look at it from that point of view. I don't know if do you want to have something like that or not. I don't know. I mean, maybe oh, that looks great. The thing is, it's like looking out of a dirty window really more than anything else, because of the color it's at, and because you can change the color, you make it go completely dark, and maybe. But as I can't actually look out of the window, that for me is a problem. I mean, look, can you compare the two? Maybe because it's coming out the camera, it's not coming over, but you see through the windscreen there's no windshield, as you say in the United States. Through the windscreen you can it's clear, but the sides it isn't, and that for me is a problem. Right, there's a fridge here as well, by the way, but we're not getting into that because it's bust already. No, there's one thing here which, having said, hasn't been integrated in many vehicles. Le Voyageur did this about 2018, and I've seen next to nobody do it so far. The integration of the mirrors on either side using cameras. That is that's an interesting feature, I think. Now, this vehicle is not an electric vehicle, so it's not a vehicle of the future, but it's as future as in next week sort of thing. That is the idea. This is a normal Fiat Ducato base integrated motorhome. Down here there'll be chairs facing forwards with seat belts. So you lift this up, and under it there's a chair facing that way, and under this one as well, if you lift all this up, and under there's also a chair which is forward facing. There's your television up there, looks rather close, oh no, it's not too bad, I suppose, it's not going to hit it, but to this, which hides the panels up here. Let's now go out using this futuristic button. Press that. Am I out? Yes, I am. That's good. I didn't fancy spending the night in there. Right, I'm going to put some information below. Oh, there's something futuristic. There's a door with a window down there. Can't see the point of that at all. I can see the point of having a window up there. So, but if you want to know who's at the door, you can also see what colour trousers they're wearing. That could come in handy, possibly. Let's have a look at the rear, if this is open. Modulo di scarico. Hang on, the toilet wasn't there. Why is that there? Surely that should be on the side the toilet's at, which is around the... Anyway. Let's have a look in here. Right, so you can see it's got the Thetford Indus system. So why has it got a cassette toilet? And don't know. Anyway, there's probably an answer to that one. That's because the Indus system works with a pipe. There you can see the door, which sort of it goes from the inside and get into the garage. The garage is a good size. I wouldn't knock that. Let's have a walk around the other side. So, well, relatively standard. I'd have to say, in my opinion, I can't see the point of this. This thing's never going to get built. Mind you, I said that same thing about the Hymer Vision Venture, of Venture, whatever it was called, and that did get built. Anyway, but I'm predicting that there'll be no more models of this one, that this one's only here so people look at it at a show and think, oh, isn't that brilliant? And it'll never... But anyway, I could be wrong. Who knows? There you go. There's a Challenger electric prototype. I'm going to forecast that this will get built, and this will be on the market within a few months for everyone. That I'm certain. But this thing here won't be. Thanks for watching. Hope you found that interesting. And Don't ask how much it's going to cost, because you're not going to be able to buy it. I dare say Mobilvetta will probably give it to anybody who wants to take it away in a few months' time, when they've had enough of it sitting on the forecourt or whatever they do in their factory. All the best from me. Bye for now.